The birdhouse where nobody lives. Everything is charred on the mountain. The once perfectly arranged pine needle clusters and the large pine cones scattered on the ground, hopeless, decomposing, waiting for what is to come. Those beautiful trees, once full of life, were once giant clusters of jade green. Now they stand still with broken charred branches, fragile, like wire stripped thin. I walk the once friendly trails, now draped with a thick carpet of dark gray ash. My footprints resemble the first step on the moon. Since nobody has visited the now desolate hills, my body doesn't want to continue the ascent, but my mind is stronger and pushes me higher to my favorite place at the top of the hill, the birdhouse where nobody lives.